Do you guys want a secret exclusive look at the new amenity center that's going to be opening up in Silverleaf? Okay. The things I do for you guys. Let's go see it. Let's see how much we actually have access to, because this is not even opened at all yet. So I'm wondering if their key fob works yet. Their key fobs work, so everyone who lives here, you guys are safe. That's gonna be like a little entry space right there, where it has like the amenities people that come in and let you in, let your friends in, everything like that. Oh! That tricked me because it turned. That's gonna be like your community center in there. You wanna flip around and see. Oh, I love that. It's like they did like the sheer water look. Here you guys go, there you go. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna find a door that works. Just you wait and see. Oh, it's beautiful. I might not find a door that works. I'm just very positive. And I want to pretend like I will. Oh my gosh, look at the little splash pad. This is cute. I like how it's a little bit different. You guys can't see it yet. I'll flip you around. First, I'm gonna see if this door works for me. It is a beautiful day. Like, got out just here showing off like, I see you, Demi, you trying to do video? It's still hot though. But this is Florida, so it is what it is. Ready? One more time. All right, we'll turn this puppy around. No idea how I'm gonna get in the middle to show you guys what I just saw. I don't know if you saw it in the background just there. I'm gonna find a way. I'm gonna find a way to show you. There's like a super cool slide, but it looks like, I don't know, my two kids could go down it. Like, there's so much room. So cool. Hey, look, there's a door. Okay, that was just a loud sound of denial. Let's try this one. All right, we're going up. That is so cool. What a cool addition. Because the biggest thing with them having so many amenity centers, I wondered if it would get redundant, and it's not redundant at all. Like, that was really cool. They look like so much fun. I think the kids are gonna have an absolute blast here. And I love that it's like centralized to the north end, because I feel like the north feels like it's far away from the other one. So we'll see what happens with the third one they're gonna build, because you know that there's two exclusive ones in Silverleaf. which is in Newbrook and then in Brook Forest as well. They have exclusive to their neighborhood only, but I love how they kind of switched up a little bit for this one. As soon as I can get some keys, I'll bring you guys back and we'll do another tour through it, and also ask the neighbors what their favorite one is. That'll be a fun one. But if you've enjoyed this exclusive look at the brand new amenity center coming to Silverleaf and would like more content like this, more tea about everything going on in St. Johns County, this is the perfect channel for you. So if you haven't already, make sure you like and you subscribe, because you don't want to get FOMO and find out about it from a friend that sends you a video I sent, right? That'd be really awkward. So go ahead, like and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Demi Judd, and I'm here to help becoming local just a little bit easier. I'll see you next time.